Hi guys, this is Mommy Alaville from Wonderfully Made Kids Homeschool. Today, I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how we made our Happy Teacher's Day animation. So let's start by creating a design and let's choose educational video. So we started with a watercolor background, and so what I need to do is go to Elements and type in watercolor, and to make it more precise I added field. You can put in your keyword, whatever it is that you really want to find, for example a watercolor mountain or beach, and that would narrow down your choices. Our youngest daughter actually helped me pick out the elements that we would use for this particular project, so I would ask her what she wanted to put, and then she would also choose the elements that we were going to include. So as you can see, this one has a bit of white left, so it didn't fill the page. You can still improve that, or you can keep it that way. You can make it completely cover the page by extending the image. For this, we added a watercolor sun, okay, and a bird. And then we could also add the people, so we chose teacher. Now, there are many options here, but this is the one that we chose. And then kids. So I think we chose these group of kids, okay? So what we did to mix and match them is sometimes you only wanted one or two of the kids, so you can double click on it and crop one person or two persons out of the picture, and then you can put them elsewhere. First, you can use the same element, and for example this kid, I want him here instead, and then make him a little bit bigger. So that's how you can change the sizes or move them around, even if you found them together as one element. Here we have a simple scene of kids and a teacher and a simple background. Now we want to move them to another background. So I duplicated this page, top right, okay. Now on page 2, we wanted to change the background to a beach, so I selected in Elements watercolor beach and found this. So I will replace the background and remove the bird. So what can we do to make this more like a beach scenery? First of all, we can put this element over here, the beach chair, and make our teacher sit down. So I will bring her to front so she can be in front, but of course her legs are there. So what we did was find something to cover it up, like this beach pad. Okay, and that allowed for us to make it look like she's sitting down. And then we also added a beach hat for her. Okay, so this will work. Okay, now we wanted to show how our little girl was now on the water. So let's go back to the elements earlier, watercolor beach. Okay, so we're gonna make her a bit smaller because she will be in the water, and then we'll put her on this flamingo and make her look like she's sitting on it. So I will send this backward, and then I will crop her body halfway so that it will look like she's here in the middle, right? So if you want to move this as a group, you have to group it, and then you can put it like that, and then you could add a beach ball to the scene. Okay, those were some of the things that we added, and then we changed to another scene. So I duplicated this page again, and we made it into outer space. So watercolor galaxy. And I think this would work. Replace the background. So of course there's no sun, there's no beach ball. This would all go away. And now we want to put them on a rocket ship. So let's type in rocket ship or spaceship. Okay, and I found this spaceship. Now I just want to put all of them inside, so I'll just crop this one and make it halfway or less. Put her in front, make it smaller. Put our little girl inside as well. Send backward, okay, and then you can just adjust. And him as well. Okay, make it smaller and put him here. And now you have all of them inside your spaceship. And then we searched for aliens. Okay. Okay. If I wanted all of them to become bigger, I will just have to highlight it and drag. And the last scene now, I think I want to duplicate page 1 because it has all of them complete and it's easier to edit that in. So I'm going to duplicate page 1 and drag it to be page 4. Okay, so I am going to remove this background and I'm going to replace it with an underwater video. So I'm going to type in underwater video. Okay, so you could even select videos to find which one suits you best. And as you can see, there are quite a lot of options to make underwater videos as your background. And I wanted something that would show the ocean floor. So like for example this one or this one, and they would be swimming with the fish. Okay, let's see. For example, if you pick this one and I will replace the background, okay, we're gonna remove the bird and this one as well, and we can make them swim by putting the scuba mask on their faces. So let's try that. Okay, so I searched for scuba mask and I found this one, which works well because it can show their eyes. So I will highlight both of them in groups so that wherever I put teacher, she will have her mask on, and then I will put a mask for the kids as well and adjust it to fit them, and then group, and then last one. Okay, and then group. Now, if you notice, this particular video is quite long. It's actually almost 20 seconds. So in order to shorten this, all you have to do is double click. Okay, and then you can crop it to only the scene you like. So I just need about 5 seconds of video. So this is fine with me. So now I'm going to add some animations to our project. So I could do a page animation, which would move all the elements automatically, or I could add animation per element. For page 1, I think we could do a simple page animation. So I'm just going to click on the page, click on animate at the top, and then as you can see, you could choose something like pop or neon or scrapbook. Your animation should also match the audio that you will put in and the mood that you want to convey. So if it's something that is fun and happy and light, you could probably use something like this as well, the fast animations. Now, if your music is something that is more sentimental and dramatic, then you would probably use an animation that is also slower and gives you a more dramatic effect as well. So I think scrapbook would work well in this page. And then for the next page, so for this one, I will select it and animate it and move it from the side. So I'm going to click tectonic. So elements in the bottom, I will animate it and choose tumble. Okay. Now for the third page, I will also click on each element to animate it. So I will make the aliens tumble to the page. Okay. And then I will group the spaceship with the people together. And I will group that and animate it as one, and maybe either rise or drift. So I think drift looks best. Okay, and then I will twist them so that it looks like they are swimming. Again, you have to group the people with their scuba masks so it moves together. And then I will click on each one and give them their own animation. See, if you don't click, they will leave their mask. So highlight it and animate it together, and there you have it. So, and then highlight again, drift, and for this little girl is tectonic. Okay, I just need to add some music. So there are a lot of choices here. Again, you can narrow down your choices by using the keyword for the kind of music you want to search for, and you just have to drag whatever music it is on the timeline. I'm going to choose music now. Okay, I will choose this one, advertising, and then I will drag it to the very last part so that I will have a smooth ending, and I'm going to listen to it now. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any comments or suggestions, please write it down. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, have a nice day, and God bless you all. Bye!